I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your space and tools so the job moves quickly. Once done, clear about 1.5 square meters and lay a soft blanket to protect the chair. You then remove cushions and the headrest, placing screws into labeled containers so nothing gets lost. Make sure to unplug any attached electronics. Next, flip the chair onto its back and use an appropriate Allen or Phillips driver to begin loosening the visible screws on the base. You continue by taking off the moving parts methodically so reassembly is easy. First, pull out casters, use a soft mallet or flat pry tool if tight, and set wheel stems apart. Once done, unbolt the seat plate and carefully extract the gas lift by loosening its mounting bolts and lifting with a slight twist. This prevents damage to the cylinder. Then, remove armrests and the backrest, keeping each bracket and its hardware grouped and labeled so you always know which piece belongs where. You wrap up by inspecting and preparing parts for disposal or storage, which makes future repairs easier. Once done, clean grime from metal and upholstery with a mild detergent, dry everything fully, and either recycle damaged pieces or bag and label small hardware. Reassemble only to test stability. Retorque bolts to spec and perform a quick sit test. If a wobble persists, tighten fasteners and check for worn washers or stripped threads. Replace those parts and retest immediately to ensure safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.